Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to solve word problems with variables on both sides. Before we're going to start, make sure you master the concept on how to solve multi-step equation in word problems. In order to do that, please check out the previous video in the description below. Let's pause the video and give you a try. Okay, let's get started. Let's jump into this example number 4. The membership fees for joining a camping association is $45. So when we see the membership fee, this one tells us that this is the initial value. Alright. A local campground charges members of the camping association $35 per night. Alright, the keyword here, per. Alright, this tells you that this is the rate of change. Alright. The keyword is going to be per, each, every, slash which means this. Alright. For a campsite and non-member, $40 per night. For a campsite. After how many nights of camping is the total cost? Total cost for members, including the membership fee, the same. Here's the key information. Right, the same which means you have equal sign as the cost for non-members. Alright, so let's get the table right here. This is for member, and this is for non-member. Alright, this one, it should be initial value. Alright, this one should be the rate. Alright, this is after S9. Alright, and this is total. Now, look at the member initial fees for the member should be $45. For non-member should be 0, right? Because non-member pays nothing. Okay. Now the rate for member should be $35 per night, right? $35 per night. For non-member should be $40 per night. Alright, now look at this one. After how many nights? So we don't know how many nights, right? We just put S. It's gonna be the number of nights. Alright. So because you spend, S nights, right? You spend S night, and the cost is gonna be $35 per night for member. So you have to pay like 35 multiplied by S, right? Makes sense. And then this one you need to multiply by S. So 40 multiplied by S, right? This is the amount you need to pay after S nights, right? Alright, so you need to add this guy and this guy. This is the total amount you need to pay. This same thing. You need to add this guy and this guy. You get a total right here. Alright, so I have what? I have 35 S plus 45. Right, and this guy should be 40s plus 0. I don't need to add 0, right? Now, as I told you before, right here, the key right here, the same, which means this guy and this guy must be the same, right? This guy right here and this guy right here must be the same. Okay, so we have the equation. We have 35 s plus 45 equal 40 s, right? Alright, so this is s both sides. Okay. And then you end up with what? 35s subtract 40s will be negative 5s equal 0, right? This is plus 45 right here. Now subtract 45 both sides. And this could be negative 5s, right? This and this cancel out equal negative 45. And you divide both sides by negative 5, right? Alright, so s should be equal 9. So after s9, which means s equal 9. So after 9 nines, the total cost for members and non-member are the same. Okay. Now we're gonna check to see if it's right. Okay. So we substitute s equal 9 over here. So we have what? 35 times 9 plus 45. Alright, it's gonna be equal to $360. Now substitute s equal 9 over here. Alright, we have 40 times 9 equal 360. Alright, so 9 is the right answer. Move on to example number 5. A car dealership sold 78 new cars and 67 used cars. So in this example, they talk about new cars and used cars. So you have new right here, and you have the used car right here, right? All right. So this is initial value again. Initial value. All right, and this is the rate. And this is after S year. And this is total. Alright, look at this one, 78 new cars and 67 used cars. This year, the number of new cars sold by the dealership has been increasing by 6 cars each year. So when you read this one, you immediately, right, know that 78 new cars right here, this is initial value, right? So I'm going to put initial right here. So 78. Same thing, used car should be 67 right here. Okay. Now the keyword right here, increasing, right? The keyword increasing tells us that, right? Increase right here tells us the slope is should be positive, right? So I have the slope positive, the rate of change positive. Positive what? 6 car each year, right? Each right here, each tells us the rate of change, right? Whenever you see the rate of change, you put variable after the rate of change. So I have what set right here. Now, each year, I don't know how many years. Look at this one. If this trend continue in how many years right here? So question asks you how many years. You don't know how many years, you put S right here. So it should be 6 times S, right? So I put the rate right here. It should be 6 first. Okay. Okay. After S year, it should be plus 6S. Makes sense. Okay. You just read the question and analyze the question. It's very simple. Now, the number of used cars sold by the dealership has been decreasing. Alright, so I know the keyword decrease right here tells me that this is negative rate of change. So it should be negative. Negative what? 4 cars each year right here. Okay, so it should be negative 4 times S. So the rate right here should be negative 4. After S year, it should be negative 4S, right? Alright, now I have the total right here. So the total, you need to add this guy and this guy, right? Initial one right here and after SG right here. So it should be 6S plus 78. And this one, it should be negative 4S plus 67, right? Question, if these trends continue, in how many years will the number of new cars sold be twice? Right, twice, which means double, which means multiply by 2, right? Multiply by 2 the number of used cars. So new car double used car. Okay, new car right here, 6S plus 78 equal 2 times negative 4S plus 67, right? Alright, so In order to solve this one, I know that, you guys will distribute this, but I'm not gonna do that way. I solve that. Look at 2 right here. This guy divisible by 2, this guy divisible by 2. Alright, so I'm gonna do faster way. So I divide both sides by 2. Okay, it helps me do this one quickly. So 6 divided by 2, I have 3s. 78 divided by 2 is going to be plus 39. 2 and 2 cancel out. I only have negative 4s plus 67. Alright. Now, alright, I don't need parentheses anymore because number 2 I already cancel out, right? Alright. Alright, so now, remember variables on the left, constant on the right, right? So I need to add 4s both sides. Alright, so I have 77s plus 39 equal this and this cancel out. 67, right? This will turn out to be two-step equation. I subtract 39 both sides. Alright, make sure you check out the previous videos about two-step equation, one-step equation, okay, multi-step equation. Alright, so this one and this one cancel out. So 7s equal 67 subtract 39 is to be 28. Divide both sides by 7, divide both sides by 7, so s should be equal 4. So after 4 years, the number of years called and the number of new calls should be the same. And it's a good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in